Hello everyone, it's 13th November. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page, we have GST effect. Retail prices rose just 0.25% in October, the lowest ever. Very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have amid US tariff hit, cabinet clears 6-year rupees 25 crore export mission. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have Bihar women shattered records, turnout 8.8 percentage points more than men. Again, very important for polity and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have AQI severe for second day, highest spike in stubble burning share so far. Again, very important for environment perspective. Moving forward, we have Bangladesh won't remain in this state, will rise again, says Sheikh Hasina. Again, very important for international issues perspective. Then we have India reaffirms its support to Bhutan's 50-year plan. Again, very important for international issues perspective. Then we have, as Jaishankar meets Canada counterpart, its trade minister sets out to boost India ties. Again, very important for international issues perspective. Then we have written plot, chemicals raw material found at the doctor's house. Again, very important for internal security perspective. Then we have India, Botswana announced cheetah translocation pact. Again, very important for environment perspective and international issues perspective. Then we have India, 9th among countries worst hit by climate disasters in last 30 years, says a report. Again, very important for environment perspective and disaster management perspective. Then we have CGI, progress in gender equality is not due to judiciary alone. Again, very important. Then we have Chhattisgarh sanctuary limits to be altered to tackle Maoist threat. Again, very important news for environment perspective as well as internal security perspective. Then we have high blood pressure among minors nearly doubled in 20 years. Again, very important for health perspective. Moving forward, we have the editorial page. The editorial page is always important for examination perspective. The first editorial says lower taxes per buying, but jobs and income will have to grow. Again, very important for employment perspective. Then we have from Trump, Xi, G2, a message for India, build your own leverage. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have the economy page. SEBI panel suggests public disclosure of assets for chairman, whole time members. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have MSME seek loan moratorium for units hurt by US tariff. Again, very important for economic perspective. Lastly, we have what led to Chinese crypto queen being sent to prison in UK. Again, very important for economic perspective. Moving forward, we have the world page where we have Trump knew about girls, spend time with victim, Democrats put out Epstein emails. Then we have Trump asking Israeli president to pardon Netanyahu in letter. Then we have Israeli military reopens North Gaza aid crossing. Then we have Ukraine suspends justice minister as it probes $100 million graft case. Then we have Thailand, Canada, Cambodia border tensions escalate, one killed. All these news are very important for the world perspective. Then we have the explain page where we have Tokyo tutorial countering China's rare earth choke. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have the bill that could end longest ever government shutdown in the US. Again, very important for the international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.